party. Oh, he drove us here. Yikes. Make some changes to that. Well, that had to be a sketchy drive from an hour and a half away. And he's got adjustable bolts, camber. Let me get that toe close. We'll set camber, reset toe, and we'll recomp because this thing's all out of whack. All out of whack. Adjusters. Get this squared up for a baseline. Rack is definitely off center. Let's find our rack center. And the steering wheel will have to be straightened out differently. Alright, so I made some preliminary adjustments, and now we're going to basically start over with a recomp just to make sure we're getting accurate readings, because when your toe's way out of whack like that one was, toe and camber, I didn't even check the caster. Caster's not adjustable on this one without grinding stuff, but I think caster will probably be okay. New lower control arms, new tie rod ends, new coilovers. The coilovers have camber adjustment, but they're dead. They're set to 0 on the top plates, so we're using the eccentric bolts in the knuckle to strut bolts to adjust our camber. You can see I've got my baseline toe down to near 0 and my cross cambers within 1/10. So we'll go ahead and recomp and start over. So I'm going to see if I can make some adjustments to my caster to get it closer to my driver's side, and I need to reduce my camber down to 1/1. Get them all squared up, we should be good to go. So caster is adjustable on these. Unfortunately, this guy has a skid plate that makes it kind of interesting, kind of hard to get to, and I was back here looking, and you can see the rear control arm bolt that's supposed to be there. It's actually, they actually make an eccentric bolt that goes there. You loosen that bolt and you use an eccentric here so that you can adjust your caster in and out. This one's actually good. I am going to add a bolt to it since it's missing. And I'm going to add a bolt to this side as well because it's missing. And I'm going to see if we can get some eccentrics for that, because that'll make my life easier to adjust it. Looks like I can get to that one easy enough, so I won't worry about it. Hopefully, well, I'll have to loosen it to see if I need to elongate the hole, but that's not a big deal. Oh, are you kidding me? It's 0 for 2. Well, It caused the two stores both sent us the wrong stuff. They sent us camber adjustment bolts, not caster adjustment bolts. So I'm going to use regular bolts. It makes it a little tougher to get the setting where it needs to be, but it will hold it just fine once it's together. So I'm going to wallow out this hole. I got my caster within 1/10 of a degree side to side. My camber's within 2/10 of a degree side to side, which is for an all-around car. This guy plans to, you know, daily drive it, drag race it, track car it, so it'll do just fine for his needs. Well, I think I'm gonna lock this one down right where it's at. Got a 1/10 of a degree cross caster, toes dead on, camber's dead on. This is with body weight in the car, so it should be right where I want it. So we'll lock her down and take it for a test drive. This is a 7.3 Godzilla swapped car, by the way. It fits. Well, just another wheel alignment on a race car. That one's a work in progress. It's coming along nicely. 7.3 Godzilla engine, automatic, street strip, track, daily. Enjoy. It's not a bad way to get to work every day. Have a safe day out there, guys. See you on the next one.